Hello everyone. In this video, I'll introduce one more software of Esri, that is the ArcView. So in this video, I'll just tell you how to open it and how to digitize a map. Okay. So let's start. Open your ArcView and this type of window will appear. When you first start the ArcView, start it as a blank project. Click on view and a new view will open. Now go to the file and click on extensions. We need to give some extensions to our project. So let's activate it. 3D Analyst, Buffer Wizard, Digitizer, Digitizing Tool, Geoprocessing, Graticules and Measure Grids, Image Analysis, Imagine Image Support, JPEG Image Support, Label and Text Tools, Legend Tools, Legend Tool, Neat Line, Spatial Analyst, TIFF Image Support. So these are the extensions. Click on OK. Just cancel it. Cancel this one window. Click on OK and just remove these windows. Okay. Open the view one. Now you can check the extensions. It is marked now. Now we have to open our georeferenced map. In the previous video, I told you how to georeference a map. So if you haven't watched it, then go to the video and see. So let us open. Go to the view, click on add theme. Here the data source type should be image data source for opening a map. Now locate your file. In the view one, you will have to activate your map, and yes, this is my georeferenced map. So now we have to add theme. Go to the view and click on new theme. As we have to first digitize our district boundaries, so we have to select polygon. Okay, then click on OK. It will ask location. Keep it in mind that all the files should be in the same folder, so make a folder in your PC where you will save all the files. You can give name to it. That file name I'll give according to me. See, the theme is activated now. Now zoom the map. According to your convenience, you can zoom so that you can digitize it properly. Now go to this and choose the feature. For digitizing your first district, you will have to choose draw polygon. Okay, and start digitizing your district. you will have to just give a single click. Okay, whenever you will double click, then it will stop. So just be careful while digitizing your map. Suppose you have wrongly placed your mark just like this, then what you will have to do, left click on your mouse and this type of uh, window will appear to you, and then click on delete last point. Okay, so the point will be disappear. Then again you will start digitizing your map. See, I'll have to move forward. I just pen it and see, the map is moved. Now I am about to complete the first district, so I'll have to double click at the last point. See, the district has been digitized. Now click on theme and click on save edits, because whatever the changes we have done in the map will be saved. Okay, every time when we digitize any district, we will click on save edits, because it will not affect our the previous edits which we have done in the map. So now we have to digitize the other districts. So for digitizing other districts, we have to use this append polygon feature. So how we can use it? We will use it by starting the digitization from the previous district. We will have to start from this first district. Okay, and also we have to end at inside of the first district. Now again end it by clicking at inside the previous polygon. Similarly, we will digitize other districts. Okay, so sometimes what happens, we are digitizing any district and some parts are left by mistake. So how can we rectify it? Let us see. Suppose I am digitizing this district and by mistake this portion has left. So how can we rectify it? We have to digitize it as we are digitizing other districts. Okay, so let us digitize it. Now in this district we have two polygons, so we have to merge it. So for merging these districts, we have to select this select feature and click on the shift key on your keyboard and click at the boundary of both these polygons so that both will be selected. See, both the polygons have been selected now, and click on the edit. Go to this combine feature and click on it. See, both the polygons have been merged now. Again click on save edits. Similarly, we can digitize other districts by using this append polygon. See, the map is completely digitized. Now what we have to do, click on the file and click on the save project as. Okay, it is asking to save the edits what we have done in View 2. We will click on yes, and it is asking for the location where we want to save the file. Okay, click on OK. Because this district was selected, its color is changed. We can restore its color by clicking on this clear selected picture icon. See, the color is changed now. So in this way we can digitize any map in ArcView. In the next video, I'll tell you how to digitize a line and point feature in ArcView. That's all. Thank you.